Subject Maths Lesson number 4 Angles and Pair of Angle. Let us recall. Last year you have already learned about this. Now today we are going to answer the given question. Write the name of the angle shown along the side. Now here angle is drawn, that is ABC. You may write like this: angle APC, or you can write it as CBA, or you write as angle B. Write the name of its vertex. Now you have your common vertex, that is point B. Write the name of its arm. Arm is segment BA and BC, that is segment BA and segment BC. Write the name of point marked on a arm. Now point here is A, B and C. So you write as point A, point B and point C. Now let us learn the interior and the exterior of an angle. In the plane of figure along a side, a group of points like point M, point N, point M, point T, which are on the arm of the angle, form the interior. Which are not on the arm of angle form the interior of angle PQR. Now see here we have drawn an angle. So the interior and exterior of angle. So here point which lies inside the angle are known as interior points. So point which are outside, that is the exterior point. The point which lies on an angle, that is P, Q and R. So in the textbook it is given that the interior of an angle PQR means a point which are not on the arm of angle are interior. So here point interior point is M, point N, point T and point O. The group of points in the plane of angle like point G, that you have here G, point D and point E, S are neither on the arm of angle or on its interior, form the exterior of angle. So it is outside. So in this way you get a 3 point. Now you have here P, Q, R which form your angle. These are points on the arm of angle. Now let us learn about the adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. Adjacent means a neighboring angle. Now here I will explain you how to know the adjacent angle. Look at the figure. Look at the angle in the figure alongside the ray PQ is common arm of an angle BMQ and angle QMD. While M is their common vertex, here you have M as a common vertex and this line, that is M and Q, are common arm. The interior of the angle do not have a single common point. They may be said to be a neighboring angles. Such angles are also said to be a neighboring angle. Such angles are called adjacent angle. Adjacent angle have one common arm and the other arm lie on the opposite side of the common arm. They have a common vertex. Adjacent angle have separate interior. In the given figure, MB is the common arm of angle BMD. So if you see this angle BM and D, now BMQ, however they are not adjacent angle because they do not have separate interior. So here you do not have separate interior. Again I will explain you with the figure. So adjacent angle means what? The two angles which have a common vertex a common arm and separate interior are said to be adjacent angles. Now here you have two angles which have a common vertex. So here you will have common vertex and separate integer are called as adjacent angle. Now you will solve a practice set. Practice set 15 in same way.